So here we are, right here, year 2023, June, and then today's the 6th, right here, Tuesday. So anyhow, once we get to the end of the year, how do we use it for next year? Oh, that's simple. Find the next year. From, it's 23 now, find the 24. There it is right there, right? So, let's mark it. There's the 24. And then, let's move this. What's the first day of the year? It's going to be January, right? But not any January. It's a leap year next year. So it's actually leap year January. See, leap year January. Right there. So we'll put this right here. And then, for example, what's the first day of the year? January 1st, right? So, let's see. January leap year right here. And then the 1st. And then follow that down. What day does it be? To the yellow line, right? Monday. Right? Because what was the day before that? The day before Monday is Sunday, right? So let's see if that's actually correct. Let's mark the 23rd for 2023. And let's move this back over to December. Let's see if it's true. And then where's the 31st? There it is. Sunday, see? So it is correct, see? December 31st. See it? It's a Sunday. So we know that the first day of 2024, it's going to have to be a Monday, right? And we just saw that. So let's mark it right there. And we're going to use January leap year, which is, where is it? Right there. So let's go ahead and move this back over, line it up. There it is. January leap year. So where's the 1st? Right there. And there it is. Monday right there. See? So we know that it works. And then what about the last day of the year, for example? The last day of the year. So again, we'll move this over to December, slide it underneath. There it is. And then here's your birthday, a D-3 on a Monday next year. Alright. Here's the Doomsdays. Right here, the 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. Thursday, Doomsday, see? Thursday. And so the last day of the year, there it is, right there. Tuesday would be the last day of the year next year. So that means that Wednesday has to be the first day of the year for 2025, right? Wednesday would have to be, right? So let's see. Let's mark 25. We'll mark that. And then it's going to be a regular January. Alright? So, let's bring this over here. And we'll see. There it is. It works. See? January 1st. There it is. Wednesday. So see, we can use this for any year. Now notice how this overlay kind of overhangs on the side a little bit. That's why I have these double sides. So what I would actually do is I would actually use this one over here. See? I would actually use, instead of this 25 over here, I would actually just use this one right here. It's going to do the same thing. See how it points down to a Friday Doomsday in 2025? Same thing here, see? There's no difference between this left side and the right side. That's the boundary. I just do that so this thing doesn't overhang. So that way you could use either side. Or if this is covering a number here, you could see what it is over here. So this is the boundary right here. But both sides are the same. See? Like this 23 over here, it's the same as this one over here. See, Tuesday, Doomsday, Tuesday. See, it doesn't matter. And so that's basically how you use this. Like I said, you could use it for anything you want, any year possible. For the 1900s, we're going to obviously use this red line that you see here. See this red line down here? That's going to be for the 1900s. We're going to use that. For the 2000s, from 2000 all the way to 2099, we're going to use this, right? 1700s or 2100s, 2500s, you know, like that, we'll use the blue line, obviously. And then for things like the 1800s, even the 1400s, before that, 2200s, 26, we'll use this one down here. So most of the time you're going to be using this because we're in the 2000s, or if you're talking about people's birthdays in the 1900s, we'll be using this one here. So we'll